Sunday's precise and important news. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan would support anyone who invests in the country. During the opening ceremony of the Kabul International Exhibition, the Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs announced that the Islamic Emirate would support anyone who invests in the industry and guarantees the quality and quantity of their products. The Islamic Emirate will prevent the supply of these products from abroad and increase tariffs to the extent of self-sufficiency to encourage marketing. Martyrs Ministry and ARCSC signed deal. Administrative Reforms Aid Civil Service Commission has inked a deal with Kabul Municipality and Ministry of Martyrs and Disabled to simplify work processes. DABE announces the arrival of another batch of humanitarian aid. A new package of $40 million in cash as humanitarian aid has been delivered to Afghanistan and deposited in one of the commercial banks in Kabul. A statement from the Afghanistan Bank, the country's central bank. Afghan refugees living in India accuse embassy officials of corruption. Afghans based in India, in a letter to the Islamic Emirate Ministry of Foreign Affairs, accused several officials at the Afghan embassy in India of corruption related to a land lease agreement with an Indian company. The officials in the Afghan embassy in Delhi have yet to comment. Over 2,000 acres of poppy fields destroyed in ongoing campaign. The Ministry of Interior said on Sunday that so far 2,183 acres of poppy fields across 9 provinces have been destroyed in the ongoing campaign to rid the country of poppies.